Welcome back to the Osborne Plays video. In today's video, we're doing the rescue helicopter transport review. And that happened, it didn't come with the stickers. The sticker thing was missing, but it's on its way. So another thing to add to the modular pieces. Show off him. You can see there. Transport helicopter. City's got a kind of good police department and kind of good fire department, but a very small medical department. Here's the transport helicopter. Just pretend it's coming in from a transport. City, another city. Pretty similar to some vehicles, yeah. Comes with a truck. There's a guy in there driving it. A lady in there flying it. It's got these things to stick out again. Things, but they need to be as far out as the just transport. Yep, straight down. They roll straight out. Put some knee on there. Right back up. And take off. Go somewhere. Maybe land. Back here to be transported. Spend any fuel. Looking good. Yep. That's about it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.